All right, what's up, guys? So, real quick, I've figured out something amazing that has saved me a ton of time. Learning how to bulk edit your YouTube descriptions. All right, so if you go to like a video,
On fitness.
you got your description. If you want to change this out, I literally just found this out, but I didn't even realize you can bulk edit this. I would have to go one by one. I got like 70 videos, not a ton, but one by one, I'd have to change this out until I started researching it. And then I found this thing called YouTube or TubeBuddy or something, but it charges you. I'm like, that's stupid. Why would it charge you to do that? So I'll show you real quick. You just go to your channel, view channel, if you don't know this already. Maybe you do. Maybe you're like, what are you talking about, bro? This is old news. Well, whatever. It's not old news to me. I just figured it out. Go to customize channel. All right, go to content on the left-hand side. You just select all, click edit, go to description. Don't insert at beginning. Make sure you replace all and then just put in your new description. So if you have a call to action that you want to change out, you got links that you want to change out that are old, now you don't have to go one by one on all your videos and you can just bust it out. All right, hope that helps. And if you are an online coach, creator, consultant, and you want to grow your business to at least 20 to 50K a month in profit, working 4-hour days, having a lot more freedom and enjoying the work that you do, check out my free group. Link is in description. I pretty much share everything that I've learned for free on how to get consistent 35K a month for myself. That is in the link in the description. It's my free school group community. We've got masterminds, coaching calls, pretty much everything you need to start getting momentum. So check it out.